Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Node.js command line utility which actually allows you to convert scalable vector graphics, which is SVG documents, into directly PDF. So this is actually the module here, SVG2PDF CLI. So it actually works in the command line itself. You can directly use it in the command line interface. So you can see this is actually the command here, npm I svg2 pdf dash CLI. So what we can do, you can directly install this globally like this. So I've already installed it, so just execute this command npm I -g svg2 pdf dash CLI. So you should have Node.js installed and npm installed on your computer, and just execute this command, and it will hardly take 5 to 10 seconds, and it will install this package globally inside your system. And then it actually provides you with a single command which you can use it to convert your SVG documents directly to PDF. So you can see the command is now successful. So you simply say svg to PDF, and then in my current directory you will see this svg file is present here, car.svg. So if I want to convert this, so I simply write the input file name, which is car svg, and then the output file name. So this is actually the command here. You execute this command right here, and if you see on the left hand side, it will convert this svg file into this PDF file. So it created this car.pdf file right here, and you will see it actually converted this svg file to the PDF here. So slowly but steadily it converted everything. So this is your car.svg and this is your car.pdf. So if I show you, open this in the browser, so it looks something like this. You will see the quality of the SVG is preserved here. So this library works it very much well. Let me show you a different file here. So this is again a different file. So again you will just replace the file name. So just execute this command. So it's very quick as well. It just took 2 seconds to convert. So it takes very less time to convert your SVG file to PDF. So you can use this command line utility of Node.js, which directly provides you with a single command to convert the SVG into PDF. So just install this module globally by first of all installing this command here, -g, and then you can carry out the conversion of SVG into PDF. So this was the module. You can directly use it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.